Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best Google Pixel Watch 2 cases 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features, and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Presenting the Google Pixel Watch 2, the profoundly expected smartwatch that is causing disturbances in the tech world. With its noteworthy new highlights and smooth plan, this watch is certainly a distinct advantage. From a high-level pulse sensor to improved charging capacities, the Pixel Watch 2 is here to change your wellness-following experience. Be that as it may, shouldn't something be said about safeguarding this valuable gadget? Today, we will investigate the main 5 Google Pixel Watch 2 cases that will keep your watch protected and upscale. In this way, how about we make a plunge and find the ideal case for your dearest Pixel Watch 2? I have prepared this video guide for the 5 best Google Pixel Watch 2 cases 2023. So let's get started. 5. SUPLINK Stainless Steel Case. Made from great steel, this watch band with case offers unmatched roughness, shock verification highlights, and drop obstruction. You can have confidence realizing that your Google Pixel Watch 2 is all around safeguarded against coincidental knocks and scratches. The solid development of this band guarantees its lifespan, pursuing an optimal decision for both ordinary wear and exceptional events. One of the champion elements of this band is its excellent solace. The hardened steel material isn't just tough yet in addition skin accommodating and sensitive, giving a lavish vibe on your wrist. You can wear it the entire day with practically no uneasiness, and its movability permits it to impeccably fit wrist sizes going from 6.2 creeps to 8.8 inches. Express farewell to free or tight groups. With SUPLINK, you can undoubtedly change the groups to accomplish the ideal fit. 4. Caseology Vault Case. One of the champion elements of the watch case is its rough sandstone surface body. This gives a smooth and present-day look as well as offers an extraordinary vibe on your wrist. The finished surface adds an additional layer of hold, guaranteeing that your watch remains safely set up regardless of what exercises you participate in. Besides, the watch case accompanies a raised ring around the watch screen. This extra assurance safeguards your watch face from unplanned knocks and scratches, giving you inner harmony realizing that your valuable gadget is all around protected. Whether you're handling a thorough exercise or just approaching your everyday daily schedule, this watch case has got you covered. With regards to strength, the case is truly amazing. It is confirmed with military-grade assurance, satisfying thorough guidelines for shock and effect opposition. This implies that your Google Pixel Watch 2 will be safeguarded from the cruelest of conditions, guaranteeing it endures for the long haul. 3. HASLFM Stainless Steel Case. Not exclusively are these groups slick, yet they are additionally rough and solid. The tempered steel case and band give added assurance to your Google Pixel Watch 2, guaranteeing it stays no problem at all on your wrist. The strength of these groups implies they can endure the mileage of regular use, without losing their sparkle or getting corroded. The very much cleaned finish on these groups adds to their stylish allure as well as guarantees their lifespan. You can be certain that your Pixel Watch groups will keep up with their smooth appearance for quite a while, even with standard use. Not any more agonizing over your groups losing their sparkle or seeming worse for wear. With its adaptable plan, the case with band viable for Google Pixel Watch 2 is appropriate for different events. Whether you're making a beeline for a proper occasion, a relaxed assembling, or simply approaching your day-to-day daily schedule, these groups will easily raise your style. 2. Shenou Case. Created with shock-engrossing PC material, this screen defender case gives all-over security to your Google Pixel Watch 2. Regardless of how harsh your everyday exercises might get, you can have confidence that your watch screen will stay in one piece and without scratch. Besides, this thin hard PC shockproof guard film cover is joined by a safety glass screen defender. This extra layer of guard adds an additional degree of assurance, shielding your watch screen from expected breaks or breaks. With the Shenou case for Google Pixel Watch 2, you can unhesitatingly require it on your day without stressing over unintentional harm. 1. Caseology Nano Pop. Solace is one key part of this band and case combo. The movable wristband takes into consideration a modified fit, guaranteeing that it's agreeable for wearers, everything being equal. The safe metal fasten keeps the band set up, so you will not need to stress over it coming free during your everyday exercises. Notwithstanding its agreeable fit, the bandwidth case offers a cozy profile that doesn't add pointless mass to your Pixel Watch. It keeps up with the smooth and thin plan of the watch, permitting you to partake in its tasteful allure without settling on security. Discussing security, this case is affirmed with military-grade guidelines, meaning it can endure the afflictions of regular mileage. Whether you incidentally find something or drop your watch, the Nano Pop band with body of evidence will give dependable assurance against scratches, scrapes, and minor effects. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best Google Pixel Watch 2 cases 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.